Hi there. Today we'll be learning about reseller hosting. You can choose any one of the packages we offer that suit your needs. We'll use this one for this tutorial. Click Choose Plan on the package you want and you'll be redirected to the next page. After, you'll choose from our reseller packages. Click on Choose Plan to continue. Then, you just need to enter the domain, and of course you can check for its availability instantly. Click Continue to go to the next page. On this page, you'll find the configurations. If you're happy, click Continue. You'll be redirected to this page where you will be able to configure your domain. Click on the add-ons you need, then click Continue. Here you'll be able to see your overall total and ready for checkout. Click on the green Checkout button to continue. Here you'll either log in or sign up for an account with us. Simply type in your details. Choose which payment method works best for you, and then check the Terms of Service box and then click on Complete Order to continue. On our Invoices page, you'll see your total and our billing information for direct deposits. Always use the reference number on the invoice. Alternatively, you can choose credit or debit card to make payment, and you'll see these buttons on top of the invoice where you'll click on Pay Now to go the payment gateway. Simply put your banking details for a secure checkout. Next, we go back to our Invoices page after the payment to check if our services are active. If the services are active, you'll see them written like this, and we'll have login to our emails to check for a verification email. You should receive a Plesk Reseller email. Click on it to get login information for your Oner Plesk panel. Copy the username and given password. There should be a link that will take you straight to the panel and paste the username and password. We have successfully logged into our Plesk panel, and you can go over your customers, domains, subscriptions, service plans, tools and utilities tabs. Click on Service Plans. Click on the Add a Plan button and you can now add a plan. Give it a name and make these adjustments. On mailbox size, click on Unlimited and you can play around with other settings to suit your needs. Importantly, go to PHP settings and make sure you've set it to the latest version. Make sure your size limits are set to 256 M. When done with that, go to Additional Services and enable the SSL TLS certificate to secure your domain. Great. Now we can go to Subscriptions, click on the Subscriptions button, and a tab will slide through from the left side of your screen. Click on Blank Website and enter your registered domain alongside your service plan. Then, click the blue Add Subscription button. It will take just a few seconds to set up, then you should be good to go. Wait for the website to load and then click on Open in Web. You will see this error that your website isn't secured. No problem. Go back to your Dashboard tab and to the Security section and click on the SSL TLS certificate to secure your website. Click Install and then check the boxes and then click on Get it free. Click Continue, then click Install and the installation will be quick and instant. Go back to Subscriptions, Click on your domain and you'll be redirected back to this page. Press the Create Website button and the slide will pop up. Select WordPress and click on Install, and you should see this page. After installation is complete, click on Login under the Image tab to log into WordPress. You'll now be able to access your WordPress easily. Go back to the Plesk panel, click Subscriptions again to go to your website. Wait for it to load and then click on Open in Web, and you should see the website all ready and secure. Now, go to the Mail tab. Click on Mail Accounts button to open a new email account for the website. Click the Create Email Address button to continue. Enter the email address and your password, or just instantly generate one. Click OK to continue. You'll be able to see the newly created email on the dashboard. You can either click on the round cube button on the far right of the screen or simply click on the email to access your account. You can test by writing a message and wait to receive the email. Write a quick response back to the new email to confirm if it's all set up and ready to go. Now, you have successfully completed and registered your first domain reseller hosting with us, and you're ready to go. If you have any questions at any of the stages in this video, please let us know and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy hosting! See you on the next one.